reception! Me and Walt are so proud of the work that you've done on 3D Shape in the last 2 weeks. You've learnt all about their faces, their names, and this last week you've investigated whether they can roll, slide or stack. And we've loved seeing your photographs of you investigating and getting busy with your 3D shapes, haven't we, Walt? So today is our last day of learning about 3D shapes. Shall we have one last game of What's My Shape? That sounds like a good idea. First, let's check that we can remember what all of our 3D shapes are called. This one is a cone. This one is a triangular prism. This one is a cuboid. This one, with just one face, is a sphere. This one is a cylinder. And this one with faces that are all the same is a cube. Well done. Now I'm going to move all of these shapes and put them underneath my table. Okay, I'm going to describe a shape to you. I wonder if you can guess what it is. My first shape is going to be this one. Okay, my first shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 faces, and all of the faces are the same shape. They're all squares. Have you got it? I'll give you some more clues. This shape can't roll because it has got edges that get in the way if you try to roll it. But it is very good for stacking in a tower because all of its surfaces are flat, and it is good for sliding. Have you guessed what it is yet? It's a cube. Let's do another one. Ooh, this shape is really good for rolling. It has one curved face, one curved surface that goes all of the way around the shape. It hasn't got any edges and it hasn't got any flat surfaces, so it's not very good for stacking and it's not very good for sliding. Have you got it? Just one curved face. It's a sphere! Well done! Ooh, my next shape is going to be this one. Okay, this shape has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got 5 faces. 2 of them are triangles, and 3 of them are long rectangles. Do you think you've got it? It's not very good for rolling because it's got too many edges that get in the way, so it can't roll. It can slide, but it's not very good for stacking because some of its surfaces are on a slant like this. They're not flat. So when you stack things on top of it, they just slide off. So it's not all that good for stacking. Have you got any ideas? What do you think it might be? It's a triangular prism. Well done, reception. Okay, next one. This shape has got 1, 2, 3. It's got 3 faces. 2 of them are flat faces. So on 2 of the faces, you can stack things on the top. But then it's got another face that goes all the way around the middle that's curved. So you can't stack things on that part of the shape. You can roll it, but only if it's laying down on its side. Have you got any ideas what it might be? It's a cylinder. There we go. Can you see the two flat faces at the top and the bottom, and the curved face that goes all the way around the middle that makes it good for rolling? We've got two shapes left. I wonder which one I might pick. Got it. This shape has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 6 faces. 2 of them are squares and the other 4 are rectangles. So it's got 2 square faces on the ends and then long rectangle faces in the middle. It's not good for rolling because it's got too many edges. It is good for stacking because it's got flat surfaces that you can stack things on top of. Is there anything else I can tell? Oh, and it's good at sliding. It's definitely good at sliding because it's got flat surfaces that you can slide along things. Have you got any ideas what it might be? Yeah? It's a cuboid. 2 faces that are squares. 1, 2, 3, 4 that are rectangles. Can't roll it, but you can stack things on top of it. Well done. Cuboid. There we go. So we've got one shape left, and this one's easy peasy because it's the only one that hasn't got a shape in front of it. I'll describe it to you anyway. Okay, so this shape has got 2 faces. The one at the bottom is flat and it's a circle. So you could stack this shape on top of things because it's got a flat bottom, but its other face is curved. It curves around and it comes to a point at the top. So you can't stack anything on top of it because it would just fall off. So one flat face that's a circle, another face that goes all the way around and comes to a point at the top. You can roll it if you lay it down on its side, but it rolls round and round in circles. It's really tricky to make it roll in any direction, so it just goes round and round in circles. Do you think you might have got it? I'll give you one last clue. It looks a little bit like an ice cream cone. It's a cone. Well done, reception. I'm so proud of you and your work on 3D shape. Let's move on to something new tomorrow. Bye.